Most people building service businesses right now are playing the wrong game entirely. They are chasing rankings on a platform that buyers are quietly leaving behind. Right now, someone in your city is opening ChatGPT and asking for a bookkeeper. Someone else is asking Google Gemini to recommend a landscaper. Someone else is asking Perplexity, which local attorney handles family cases. The businesses that show up inside those AI-generated answers are getting the calls. And a platform called SerpSling AI is built to put your clients right inside those results. If you have not seen this yet and you are building a service business, today changes that. Hey, I'm Paul. This channel is for freelancers, consultants, and small agency owners running lean operations. I cover AI tools that actually move the needle without costing a fortune. And today, I am covering a category almost nobody in this space is talking about. What I am sharing today is one of the most wide open service opportunities I have seen. The timing matters, so let's get into it. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. Right now, SerpSling AI is more than 50% off the regular price. I will drop a special discount link in the description below. Check it out before that window closes. Here is the problem most agency owners and freelancers have not fully processed yet. Traditional search engine optimization has been the main game for roughly 2 decades. You write content, earn backlinks, clean up your metadata, and hope Google rewards you. That system still has some value in certain niches, but buyer behavior has shifted in a way that most people are still catching up to. People are not only Googling things anymore, they are having full conversations with AI assistants and expecting direct recommendations. When someone needs a plumber, a graphic designer, or a dental clinic, many are now asking ChatGPT or Perplexity directly. The AI recommends someone, that someone gets the inquiry. And the business is not structured for how AI tools process information are completely left out. They are not buried on page 2. They are not part of the conversation at all. Here is what makes this powerful for your business specifically. The overwhelming majority of local businesses and small service companies have never thought about this problem. Most of them do not know it exists. That gap between what the market needs and what anyone is currently offering is where you step in. And the tool that helps you close that gap for clients is already built. Most people never realize this part. Before I show you how SerpSling AI works, I want to give you a quick framework. I call it the answer layer protocol. Every business has a standard digital presence, a website, a Google business profile, some customer reviews. That is the layer most people focus on when they think about online marketing. But a second layer is forming on top of that. It lives inside AI tools. It is built from structured data, schema markup, and trust signals that AI models are trained to recognize. Most businesses have absolutely nothing on that second layer. Zero presence. When an AI gets asked who to recommend in their category, they never come up. The answer layer protocol is how you build that presence for clients, using SerpSling AI as the engine that handles the technical work automatically. SerpSling developed this platform around 3 core phases. The first is the audit. You enter a business name, a website, or a location. The platform evaluates all the signals that large language models weigh when selecting who to recommend. It looks for proper schema markup, the code that tells AI tools what the business does. It checks review patterns and reputation signals. It verifies that the business name, location, and phone appear consistently across the web. AI models factor that consistency into how trustworthy a source is. It maps out the questions an AI would need answered before it could confidently recommend that business. Then it checks whether those answers actually exist anywhere on the site. Here is where things get wild. The content that shows up in AI answers is not necessarily the most popular content. It is the most machine-readable content. A big brand with a disorganized site can be invisible to AI. A small local business with clean, structured information can outperform them every time. If you want to be the person delivering that result for clients, the link in my description gets you in at more than 50% off right now. That discount will not last. Here is where everything clicks. The businesses winning in AI search right now did not necessarily spend more. They structured their information differently. SerpSling AI replicates that process automatically, so you do not need to understand the tech. After the audit, SerpSling AI moves into optimization. It generates content specifically formatted for how large language models extract and process information. This is not generic blog content. It is answer-first writing with the right structural signals built throughout. The platform creates it, formats it, and prepares it for deployment. The deploy phase pushes everything live in a single click. The optimized content goes live in a format that AI search engines can crawl and use. No developer required, no code to touch. What you end up with is a client that ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini can actually recommend. This part used to stress me out when I first tried to understand structured data. Back when I was in my brother's garage, a tool like this would have changed everything. Learning what AI models needed and building it manually took far longer than it should. Now, let me talk about where the income actually comes from. The businesses that need this most are the clients your audience already knows how to reach. Local service providers, independent professionals, small companies that depend on their online reputation but cannot afford enterprise SEO work. These clients are not running AEO campaigns. Most of them have never heard that term. If you offer to get them found in ChatGPT and Gemini, you stand alone in their market. Think about what the proposal conversation looks like. You run an audit on a prospect's site before the call. You walk in with a report showing the exact questions buyers ask that their site cannot answer. You are not selling an abstract service. You are showing them a real problem and offering the fix. SerpSling AI generates branded reports you can hand directly to a client. The report shows their visibility score, what is holding them back, and what was fixed. That is a real deliverable. It gives clients something tangible to evaluate. It also gives you a monthly touch point that justifies a retainer. The entry-level plan covers up to 5 client domains with monthly audits and content generation included. 5 clients at a modest monthly fee adds up to real revenue without requiring a large team. This is the kind of lean setup that this channel was built around. You are not managing employees or dealing with overhead. You are delivering a service that most of your competition has not even discovered yet. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. The window for being first in your market will not stay open indefinitely. As more agencies discover AEO and more tools enter the space, the window closes. The operators who move early are the ones who own the market when it fully opens. Right now, the gap is wide. The businesses that need this already exist. The only variable is whether you move before someone else in your area does, and those businesses are not hard to find. They are already your potential clients. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is a picture of how this works in practice. Imagine a freelance marketer who has been handling traditional SEO for a small group of local clients. Steady work, but she keeps watching her results get harder to justify as search shifts. She picks up SerpSling AI and runs audits on her current clients first. The results are striking. Most of them score poorly on AI visibility, even though their traditional SEO looks clean on paper. She starts reaching out to new prospects and uses the audit report as her opening conversation piece. 3 conversations in 1 week, 2 say yes on the first call. 1 asks for a follow-up. That audit report is her entire sales pitch. In her first month with this new service angle, she lands 3 new clients: a residential cleaning company, a local financial planner, a physical therapy practice. She runs each site through SerpSling AI, deploys the fixes, and delivers a branded report to each. 3 new retainers. The platform handles the technical side. She handles the client relationship and the monthly reporting. The special discount link is sitting in my description right now. If this service model makes sense to you, that is your next click. Picture what your next 30 days look like if you start making outreach calls this week. You walk into every conversation carrying an audit tool that generates a real visibility score. That report is your door opener. Most business owners have never seen anything like it. The ones who understand what AI recommendations mean for their revenue will not need much convincing. The audit does the explaining for you. You are not asking them to trust your pitch. You are showing them a score that tells its own story. This is one of the strongest early mover opportunities I have covered on this channel. The gap in the market is real. The clients who need this service already exist in your network right now. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income. And that special discount link for SerpSling AI is in the description below. Grab it while the price is still where it is today.